YouTube and welcome to the channel. As you all know, I am a big fan of Casio watches and in particular the Casio Royale. In previous videos I did an unboxing and review of the watch. Some of you guys asked me how the watch looks like after wearing it for a year. So I thought let's make a short video to show you how the watch holds up. I wear the watch daily and also am not very careful with it. I don't wear it in the shower, but do wear it every day at work, when maintaining the house, when gardening, cleaning, etc. And as some of you know, I am a big fan of motorcycles. And driving a motorcycle often means wearing motorcycle gear, putting jackets and backpacks on over the watch. Usually not the best thing for a cheaper watch. But here you have it, this is how it looks like after a year of daily use. Looking at the leather strap, it has the usual wear and tear, as we see with other watches with leather straps. And looking at the watch case itself, it has some scratches on the glass, which can be seen when there's a direct light on it. Here's one scratch. And here you see another scratch. Some of you were afraid that the gold casing would fade away, add more wear and tear than usual. So that's about it. You guys requested a video about how the watch looks after a year daily use. So here you have it. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Ciao.